Okay, here's a bear. You are glowing. Oh, he's so nice. Look at the bear. He's so tired. Oh, there's a few of them in here. There's one. You guys are so nice to me. I love you so much. Oh my god, I love you. 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 I love you, chat. You guys are the best ever. You're so nice to me. Oh my god, I love you. Chat, I love you so much. Get up, bears. Entertain us, lazy fucks. Oh my god. I'm so glad nobody was standing behind me. Oh my god. Some kid is like, what does fuck mean? Bear resistant coolers. Wow, that's some like pretty good product placement right by the fucking bears. Whoa, look at him. Thug life. Dude, what are you trying to do with that cooler? Like what? Dude, this bear is a total thug. He just eats the glasses. Thug life. I don't like swearing around kids. Better have a bear resistant tent. And Sid goes, you crazy fucks. B is for brain, bear tested. Bear tested. Dude. Bear tested. I wonder if they tested them with the bears here. Probably. Ooh, black bear and grizzly bear. Wait, do they have black bears in here? The black bears we have in Utah. I don't think we have any grizzly bears, but we do have neighboring states that have grizzly bears. Like I'm pretty sure Montana, Wyoming, Idaho, those kind of places. Montana's not a neighboring state, but Wyoming and Idaho I think have grizzly bears. I don't think Utah has them though. We just have black bears. What other things could you bear test? Auto mod's too harsh. I'll look into it when I get home on PC. I will look into that for you. Okay guys, should I get I feel like I should get this food now. Should I get it now? Yeah, I think I'm gonna go get it now. Okay, I'm gonna get fries. Wait, should I get, fuck, what should I get? Fuck. I don't know what to get, dude. Chat, you're gonna have to decide for me, okay? Chat, you really need to help me out here. This is a really hard decision to make. What to get, chat? Something with gravy. Well, we're definitely getting fry sauce. Dude, I'm so tan right now. Like, I know I got sunburnt, but it's like turning into a tan, and I'm like really happy right now. I wrote bear test. Do they have ranch? Chad is buying you dinner. I'm still young, but my bones says otherwise, previous injuries. I'm not hungry. Onion rings or cheese sticks. Well, they have pretzels with cheese, like dipping cheese. Thank you so much, DJ Time Walker. Thank you. Yeah, I've been doing short, like I feel like my content is entertaining, which is like why I don't mind doing a stream for a couple of hours as long as it's good content. Like the zoo's really fun. So but dude, I want to do another road trip really soon. I want to go to Idaho. I was thinking we should do that as a sub goal. I don't know how many subs we're at, but I was thinking when we had 1,000 subs we could do a road trip to Idaho. Yo, Wicked Mike, thank you for the 14-month resub. Thank you, Wicked Mike.